What's up the mob? What's up the Mophia? From my jailbird clique, what's up niggas? You out yet? You smoking blunt yet? Your marijuana rap yet? Come see me nigga. What's up with the Mophia? What's up with the mob clique? Jailbird clique, San Mateo. It's led to hell. Fully Joe the medic, these niggas snails. We keep them on them like a whale. They pale, snail from the grail. They shell shocked my nigga. A Tommy gun is all I want. Pasta eating, these niggas flesh in the every bite. I just might pull my samurai sword out tonight, drop a body and cut his throat. His neck bleeds, now what you want, and what you want, his tongue sticking at his throat. Watch this nigga straight choke from my loach. I don't need nothing but my loach by my side from the motherfucking mob. Yakuza mob, now where you at? It's Mutt boy, gang is calm. I give a fuck, these niggas wrong. It's King Kong versus Slug. They slip it about, show no love. Step on them like King Kong. Machine guns, Tommy guns, it's straight run. These niggas hung. Slit, dick slit, drip drop from a new clip. Fuck the clip, this the mob. Jailbird clique, the motherfucking mob. San Mateo, jailbird clique. Let's let it rip, the Tommy gun. Mophia, and I'm a mobster. I'm a slobster, eating lobster, human flesh. Cause next to me, the Dr. Yeti with the motherfucking Betsy. Come see me, my niggas. I told you I'd be here. Do you hear me yet? Smoke a blunt yet? Your feet wet yet? You see the sun yet? How many years you get? I got one. The Tommy gun is ready. Sitting by my side as the moon rise. A homicide, a ride, a sniper rifle. Looking at God from the sunset. Mophia, mob yard nigga.